Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Every year for the past, I think 8 years, maybe 9, I'm not sure yet, but for every year I have my annual fall fireplace decor collaboration. Now, what all I ask you to do is to decorate your fireplace mantle, your apron, or a tabletop, a cabinet, or a china cabinet where you can participate in this collaboration. You don't necessarily have to have a fireplace if you don't have one. So what we do is we decorate for fall, and this year my twist was to add a squirrel. Now, my wonderful co-host who's doing this collaboration with me is Jill of Jill Style. Now, that's my girl. Now, I always love the way she decorates her fireplace, and I think this year for fall is going to be gorgeous. Now, when you go visit her channel, tell her I sent you. I will include the link down below and also a playlist link for anyone who participates in this collaboration. Now, this was an open collaboration and you could join at will. So I'm going to stop talking and I am going to get to decorating my fireplace. Now, this year I want to basically do a no spin decor. I only wanted to use what I had in my stash. So basically that's what I did. Everything I'm using is something I already had. A majority of it came from the Dollar Tree, or I was thrifted, or I ordered it off of Amazon, or Hobby Lobby that I've had for years. But anyway, let me stop babbling and let's get to decorating. Now this year for me and my husband has been a rough year. So I really want to be thankful for everything that God has done for us. So my fireplace is very simple but colorful for the season. I tried my best to do a no spin on this fireplace decor. The only thing that's new, to be honest, is the little squirrel. I have two, but I didn't like the way they looked, and I thought that one would be perfect for it. I found that at Hobby Lobby, and it was, I think it was 40% off, so it was like $2 for that squirrel. But I think it looks cute in the vase. So let me know what you think of my simple but colorful fireplace for the fall. I enjoyed coming up with this idea, and I'm really appreciative that Jill has agreed to participate as a co-host for me in this collaboration. I enjoyed decorating my fireplace for the fall. Now, I do have a playlist that will be available. If there are any other participants, you will find them in that playlist. Now, please let me know what you think down below in the description. I enjoy reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. Now here is a look of the fireplace from the bottom to the top. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to stop by Jill's channel and tell her that I sent you, and check out the playlist for the other participants. Now let me know what you think of my simple fireplace down below, and I'll see you in the next episode.